name is Harpreet Singh and you are watching HBR Moto. Today we are going to talk about the imagination of young bloods, most selling bike in 1 lakh segment nowadays, the evolution of legendary bike R15 version 3. This bike is a real baby of R1. There is no doubt about on that. This bike is more compact than the older R15 but more aggressive on seating position. Now you will feel more confidence on corners while leaning this baby. Talking about the engine, it's more refined to drive now. It's also equipped with slipper clutch, so you don't have to worry about false gear shifts. The bike has 150cc liquid cooled motor which gives you the torque of 50 Nm on 8500 rpm and 19.5 horsepower at 10,000 rpm. It comes with now technology called VVA, valve variable actuation. In simple word, this means over 8000 rpm you will get linear acceleration and power delivery. The bike will pump more fuel into the engine. This is like bike has two modes. If you drive on lower rpms, bike will give you more mileage and economic power, but after shooting the throttle you will get more power and fuel pumping into the engine. Talking about the suspension, the Indian model get conventional forks on front, but in international market the bike has USD forks, and on the back you will get monoshock suspension. The suspension is on balanced side, but if you are driving on bad road you might feel uncomfortable. There is no ABS as of now on these brakes, but to meet government norms of ABS safety, Yamaha has to introduce ABS version which can come around from November this year to next year April. Talking about the brakes, there is not enough bite in the brakes, and also after a certain period of time front brake might get spongy, but it's a recoverable thing. You just have to bleed out the brakes. This is another topic for another time. And getting back to the bike, the seat cushioning is better than the older R15, but the position is aggressive, so you can feel pain in the back and in shoulder as well as in hands as you are riding long or commuting daily. But this particular positioning is heaven for corner and track lovers. The pillion seat is improved now. It's more comfortable than older R15 seat, and as well as you feel don't scary as you feel scary on the older R15 pillion seat. Talking about the quality and fit and finish of the plastic as well as every part of the bike is amazing. The tank has gone plastic now. The console is now fully digital. So in short words, this is the best looking bike right now in this segment. Headlight is LED, but you will struggle in rain for visibility. And the only close competition to the bike right now is RS200, which have better performance than this, but not in the looks department. Looks is also subjective thing. Some people like it, some people not. So guys, this is the simple review of mine. There is no much technical things I talked about because there is already many reviews about this bike, so I give this simple review as much I can. And don't forget to give your opinion in the comment section about this bike. And also don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel And if you also don't want to miss out our content, click on the bell icon. And as of now, I am signing out. Harpreet Singh, goodbye.